Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. Today's video is going to be a try-on tutorial featuring this gorgeous wig that was sent to me from My First Wig. The name of the wig is CBS010. The texture is silky. The length is 20 inches. The cap size is medium, and it is 100% Indian human hair. The cap construction is a headband wig with a parting space. Yes, I said a headband wig with a parting space. Now, the first headband wig that I've ever tried came from My First Wig, and I had a few suggestions in that video, and I shared my suggestions with My First Wig, and I was super excited to see that they did test out my suggestion, which was having a parting space on a headband wig. Headband wigs are super easy to install. They do come with a Velcro in the back, and this is adjustable. Headband wigs do come with 3 combs as well as an adjustable strap, of course, for a custom fit. Of course, you could change up your look by changing the headband by basically adding a headband on top of the black one that comes on the wig. So right now my hair is cornrowed and straight back cornrows, and I have a wig cap on top, and then I have my wig grip on top of the wig cap. I personally like wearing wig grips under my headband wigs because I don't have to worry about any of the combs coming in contact with my edges. I think they did a great job with the parting space. It looks super natural, and I love the fact that the parting space does not go back too far. A lot of companies on other wigs, not headband wigs, but just wigs in general, when they have a standard part in the center, a lot of times the part is like way back here and it looks really unnatural. So I love the fact that they have a good amount of parting space on this. If you are someone who wants to change up your look and have a side part with this wig, all you would have to do is reposition the wig to your left or your right, and you instantly have a side part. Without further ado, let's jump right into trying this wig on and testing out this new parting space headband wig. I'm gonna close my eyes for this, y'all, because I'm excited. And I want to be surprised in a good way. This wig is a perfect fit. A perfect fit. It's not too tight, it's not too big, it fits me just right. What do you guys think? What do you think about this parting space on this headband wig, which was such a freaking genius idea? I'm glad to see it finally happen. What do you guys think? Okay. Okay. I see you. I see you. I immediately see that I'm probably going to have to put some concealer or foundation right here because you can't really see the parting space here. But that's not a problem. Okay, so what am I going to do to this wig first? The first thing, I'm going to grab some Silk Therapy hair serum. I'm going to apply it to the hair. And then I'm going to brush through these curls just to see what these curls are giving me. And the good thing about this is that it is virgin hair, so you are able to recurl it. You can use flexi rods to get these curls back again, or you can use your actual curling iron. You can flat iron it. You can color it. But I know they have other colors available too, of course. I like the curls. I'm just going to use this and just go through it a little bit so that they're not as tight. All right, so I'm gonna jump off camera just to save some time. I'm gonna cut a little bit of layers here and get these curls to go in the same, you know, direction. And I'll come back to put some concealer on the scalp and do some baby hairs and style this wig. Okay, so now that I got the curls the way that I want them to be, with my layers in the front, I am about to try something new. because I don't want my hairline to be exposed, but I still want it to look natural and I still want to have baby hairs. I'm about to try this thing that I've seen on TikTok, which is basically taking some track hair, using some adhesive spray on your like actual face, and then creating baby hairs that way. So first time I'm ever doing this, but let's see how it's about to turn out. Okay, so I'm just going to cut some hair off of this. And next I'm just going to put some adhesive spray on the back of my hand. Like so. And then I'm going to dab this where I want the baby hairs to be. So let me zoom in. I'm going to dab this here because I want some baby hairs right here. I'm going to fan it out so it could be like this. Put it here. Then I'm going to spray this again. Okay. You know what? Maybe I won't blow dry because I don't want it to fly away. So I'm not gonna blow dry it. Just gonna work on the other side. So grabbing some more of that hair, I'm gonna do the same thing. Y'all, I think I am onto something great. Hello. You would think these were my baby hairs. Hello. This is like so incredible. Now let me show you guys how it looks all together. I think this is wonderful. Like, you cannot tell that this is a headband wig. Like, yeah, obviously you see the headband, but this looks amazing. Let's chat down below in the comments about this. And I haven't even fully styled her yet. I love this. This is incredible. Let me zoom in so y'all can see her. This looks so good, and of course all of my hair is protected underneath. I don't have to have my edges out anymore, and this was so easy just to put on my head and finger comb through and straighten a little bit, and she is ready to go. I think I am a little obsessed with this overall look, these waves, this wig, the density, the length, the baby hairs, of course parting space, obsessed with it. Okay, so this is the first headband choice in my box. Just going to try this on really quick. Show you guys some quick ponytail looks. This is such a cute and flirty headband. I love the colors of it. Of course, with this headband, you can change up your makeup, your eyeshadow, so that it can match it, your outfit. Super cute. This is like a perfect out of your face. I'm going to run errands. I'm doing a Zoom call for work. Wherever, date night even, vacation. I love, love, love this look. Show you guys the curls. This looks like a lace front right now. Like, look at this. This looks like a lace front wig. This does not look like a headband wig, and it looks like a lace front that I have glued down. That's what this is giving me. I give this a 10 out of a 10. We got our low ponytail. Where would you wear this low ponytail to, y'all? This is giving me going to the grocery store, going to the gym. It's still cute. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you want to try this wig. And because I cut layers in the front, I am also able to do something like this too, which is also really cute. And I could curl it this way and this way. Or I could do, let me try the high. Ooh, let me try something high with these two bangs in the front. I think that would be super cute. Let me jump off camera and style it. Is this not the cutest? This is so cute. I'm so obsessed. All right, moving on to the next headband. I'm gonna do, which hairstyle should I do with this one? Let's try, this is cute. Let's try half up, half down. Thank you so much for watching. I will have all of the information, the promo codes, and direct links to the wig worn in this video down below in the description box. So don't forget to click that link. Let's talk about the length, the baby hairs, the scalp, the parting area, all of these good things down below. If this is your first time on my channel, or if you are a returning visitor, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, as well as turn on that post notification bell as well. Give this video a huge thumbs up and comment before you leave, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
Beige, Ojai. Yeah, that's right. It's Beige, Ojai.